Hello dear subscribers, today I will tell you how you can easily find HD wallpapers on your iPhone. So for doing this you just need to go to App Store, and in the App Store you need to find in search best HD wallpapers and cool HD background. So just click on the get and it will successfully download and install this app on your phone, and after you can also open it. So after you open it you can also, here you will see a list of different photos. So you can also choose for what you want to use it, for lock screen or for unlock screen, for home screen. So here you can see different images, and for example we choose this one and just click on it. Just choose the image you want. So I will close it and try to open again. So for example this one image, so it's successfully open, so just choose on save, and also you can choose it for lock screen and for home screen. For example, for home screen, also you can save it to your photo library, and just from photo library you can also use it as your image for background on lock screen or home screen. So this is how it works. So thanks for watching, have a nice day, subscribe to my channel, click like, and goodbye.